Hey grade 1, we're going to be working on 3D shapes again today. Today we're going to be talking about spheres, cylinders, and cones. And a 3D shape is one that you could pick up. And a 2D shape is flat. So these are circles, they're flat. But these are spheres. They are perfectly round like a circle is, but they curve the same way everywhere. See, this is a circle, flat, but this is a sphere because it's curved. So these curve, but they're not spheres because a sphere is perfectly round all over. And this is not perfectly round. If you can say that one side is squished in, or if you can see that one side is pointy, then they're not spheres. So that's why a tennis ball would be a sphere because it's round everywhere you look, and an egg would not be because an egg has pointy ends. So it doesn't matter if the sphere is large or teeny tiny, blue or yellow. What matters is that they are perfectly round all over and they're curved the same way. You can't have any flat or pointy sides on a sphere. So you could probably find a whole bunch of spheres around your house. But if you have a tennis ball, is a tennis ball a sphere? Is it perfectly round all over? Yes, it's a sphere. Is a box a sphere? And it's not perfectly round at all. How about a soup can? It's round, but is it perfectly round all over, like a ball? No. Is a ping pong? Yes, ball. Is a waffle cone perfectly round all over? No. How about an orange? Depends on the kind of orange. Some oranges are very sphere-like and some of them are squishy. But I'm going to say yes. Snowball, if you make a good one, yes. Party hat, perfectly round all over? No. So is this a sphere? It's round, it rolls, but is it perfectly round all over like a ball? No, because we have this side and this side. Those are flat. Do you know what shape those sides are? Well, if we were at school, I would get you to take out your cylinder, because this is a cylinder, and you put it flat and you would trace it and you would find out that this side and the other side are circles. So a cylinder will roll because it's round, but not on these sides because these two sides are flat. It has two circle sides. Flat end. Can you think of any cylinders? Toilet paper rolls? This is not a cylinder because it does not have two circle sides, ends. It only has one circle end, and the other end is a point. So this is called a cone. They're the same because they both have at least one circle end, but a cone has a point at the end and a cylinder has a circle at the other end. So this is a cone, this is a sphere, this is a cylinder. Cone, sphere, cylinder. So what does this look like? A cone, a sphere, or a cylinder? Oh, look, I already have the arrow pointing at it. It looks like a cone. But if you look right in here, it's got the circle end, but the circle end is open. It's not closed, because if it was all closed, you couldn't fit it on your head. So this is called an open cone. So we're going to see if it's a cone, a sphere or a cylinder, a hockey puck? Is that a cone, a sphere, or a cylinder? If I tip it, it's a little bit easier for you to see that it's not like this. It doesn't have a point. It's not round like a ball. It is a cylinder. Flat on the top and flat on the bottom, so it's closed. A hockey puck would be a closed cylinder. Soup can. Doesn't have a point, not round like a ball, but it has a circle on top and a circle underneath. Also, closed. Soup can. Paper towel roll. Well, it's got the paper towel still on it. Doesn't have a point on a top or bottom, not round like a ball. Circle on the top and circle underneath, but see how you could, it's open because it doesn't have like the top on it, so it's an open cylinder. Party hat. We already did party hat. It looks just like the cone, but see, it's not closed at the bottom. It's an open cone. Ping pong ball. Gave it away right in the word. Ball looks like a sphere. Snowball is a sphere. A new pencil. Well, the reason why we do a new pencil, because a new pencil is flat on both ends. So would that be open or closed? Closed. Oh, what is that? Cone, sphere, or cylinder? Circle on this end, circle on this end. That would be 2 circles on the ends. That would be a cylinder. And a globe is a sphere. A waffle cone. Those were my favorite kind when I was growing up. I know the point's at the bottom and this point is at the top, but that would be a waffle cone is a cone. Is it open? Can you put things inside, or closed? It is open. Otherwise you can't fit the ice cream inside. A straw. Come on. My picture doesn't make it very easy to see. But it's a circle on one end and a circle on the other end, so that makes it a cylinder. Has to be open or you could not use the straw for the reason that you would use a straw. So if you have Play-Doh at home, I think it's a really great activity for you to make spheres, cylinders, and cones. If you have blocks at home, really great activity to use rectangular prisms and cubes and cones and cylinders to make towers. But you have 3 pages. First page, spheres. Circle the objects that look like spheres, and I would like you to X out the ones that don't. Because it's really easy. Every year I get grade 1s who skip things. So on the first page, just think about it in your head. Sphere, yes. Sphere, no. Sphere, no. Okay? Draw 2 more objects that are almost spheres, or look kind of like a sphere. They can't be any from here. Here, circle the things that look like cylinders. X it out if it doesn't. Even say it out loud. Cylinder? No. Cylinder? Yes. Cylinder? No. Cylinder? No. Draw 2 more things that are cylinders. Have a look around your house. There's cylinders everywhere. None of these, please. Might be kind of tricky. And cones. Cones are really hard to find around your house, but let's see if we can find them. All right, that's it for today.